noticed some of you watch these videos and you don't subscribe. Please subscribe right now. I will not upload more videos before you guys subscribe. Added a material to our cube that basically is affected by lightning. Not lightning, but lighting or lights. Now we don't really have any lighting in the scene, so that is why we can't really see our cube. So let's add some lighting. And the way that we will do it is basically by, let me just find it right here. First of all, we want to light our cube up with some lighting. So we will say get a color, const color equals white. Right, let's just light it up with some white color. What should the intensity be? Intensity, that should just be 1. So the integer 1. And here we will what is it called? Instantiate our light. So we actually want a new free dot directional lighting. No, it's just called new free directional light. And we want to set the color. It's going to want a color and an intensity. So which color should it light, and in which which intensity. Now we have to set a position for this light. So we basically say this light that we just created, light dot position, just like the camera position, dot set, and then the free axis. Then we can say -1.2 by 4. Save that. And then add, of course you have to add the freaking lighting. Let's see the magic. Add lightning to your Three.js cube and look how beautiful it looks. Just look at how beautiful it's going to look. Put in the semicolon and let's look at the beauty. Okay, we actually get an error in line 19. This is the error. Please type it in correctly and just look at this beauty, guys. Just look at this beauty. You can see the lightning just shining and reflecting on the cube. It is absolutely beautiful. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below. See you on the next one. I guess in the next video we may add some other cubes. Yeah, we will add some other cubes in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll find you. I just want.